Let's see how the gold is doing today. Yesterday the price has formed a bullish pin bar, but the pin bar is created in between this resistance level 3350.58 and the support level 3272.61. And we can see that it is indecision between the buyers and the sellers, where we can see that the sellers have tried to push the price down, reaching the area of support 3272.61, but we can see this area of support around 3310 was very hard to make a breakout, and especially this one where the price has created an open and close price of these two daily candles. So this means it is a strong support that is preventing the price from falling down, and currently we can see that the price was trying to move higher above 3350.58, but also unsuccessfully. The price cannot get very close to this area of supply zone, which means a selling pressure is still high and also the buying pressure is still low. Let's see on the 4-hour time frame how the price has behaved yesterday. The price yesterday has created a bearish candles where the prices took down. Yesterday I have also shared inside the premium analysis. The link for the premium analysis will be below in the description. I have shared this breakout, especially the daily bearish breakout targeting the lower level, and you can see that the price has reached this area very close to this area of support, but the price has missed this area for a few pips. So this means the price was very close to it, and currently the price has made a retrace back up all the way to this here 3340.57. The price is currently heading down, and we can see the price has formed this 1-hour time frame, a bearish breakout indicating further decline in value. So this is a bearish breakout that I will share after this analysis with the traders inside the premium analysis. What will be in the entry level, what will be the take profit level, and what will be the stop loss level. So feel free to check the premium analysis and join to receive these updates, not only for the gold but also for other symbols which you can see here. They are listed, so when there is an opportunity, when there is a breakout, I share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. What we can expect today? For now the price is trying to move down, and I am expecting currently that the price will drop down in value, and 4-hour time frame is also showing me that it is trying to make a bearish breakout below this area of 4-hour time frame support level at 3333.30. The next support level where the price is setting will try to reach 3320.96. We can see that it is an area where it is very hard to make a breakout. So if the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support, the target will be again this area of support 3295.24, which I have mentioned, and where is this targeting this open order. We can see the take profit level is listed here. So the daily time frame is currently showing me yesterday a bullish pin bar, but because it is in between the support and the resistance level, I gave a little less importance to that bullish pin bar. But whenever there is a pin bar on the gold format, this is indication of the direction of the pin bar. So if it is this bullish pin bar like it is, the price is trying to move higher, and in this case we can see whenever there is a pin bar, the price is moving in that direction. How far and how strong, that depends. It is always good to have a bullish pin bar. For example, here on the support, this will indicate that the price will try to move higher, and the support where the price formed that bullish pin bar has much more buying pressure and also strength to push the price higher than it is currently here, which is currently at the resistance level. So I'm expecting that the price will drop down. How far we'll see, we'll go step by step, but for now I think that the price will try to reach 3325.75 support level, and from there we will see where the price is heading. Will it manage to go further down below 3320.96, which is also a 4-hour time frame? We can see that, which will open the price to reach a lower level. So we'll see that step by step. So I will check each hour when the price forms a bullish or bearish breakout and share that with the traders inside the premium analysis. But for now, what you can see here, much stronger bearish pressure is pushing the price down. There is no enough strength from the bulls to push the price above this area of resistance and to continue to rise in value. So feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.